So we can start from here, which is task 2 spreadsheet. First of all, we need to open and examine the file. The file will be used in step 2. Do not make any changes. Open and examine in a spreadsheet. Okay. Now row 9 to 32 will show the number of sighting of the splendid taught fish on each reef for 1 week in Feb. Row 35 onward show the detail of all sighting for the week. From row 9 to 32. And from 34 to 48, which means 35 onwards, place your name, candidate number, left align in the footer. So in the header footer, we can place here left aligned. And place the automated file name with no file path on the right index footer. Then place a replicable formula in C35 to look up the type of diver using their name and external file. Okay. Type of diver using their name and external file for the array. We look up and lookup value is going to be the names, and for the table array you can select these, and column index number 3, range 0. Now we're going to increase this, replicate this formula, done. Then place in cell B3 a formula to count the total number of sightings for a 7-day period. In cell, okay, count in cell B3 count uh, uh and going to count all these values. Place in cell B4 to count the total number of sightings for a 7-day period where a photograph was taken. Place in cell B5 a formula to count the total number of sightings for a 7-day period where photograph was taken. Tell the GPS location. Going to give the range and the criteria. Place a formula in P9 to display the number of sightings where a photograph with GPS was taken in B9. This is the range. Criteria should be this reef name. Don't forget to put the dollar sign. For the second range, let's create this dollar and criteria is yes. This is the formula. For A9 and then for the yes condition. We'll extend this to all the values. Now need to format the spreadsheet to look like this. Make sure A1 to B1, A1 to B1 merge and B7 to B8. B7 to B8 merge. Font of text 1 to 22. 1 to 22. This is bold. After that, only cell A1 to C75 and print the cell with formula displayed. B75, print with formula displayed. So formula, show formula. The printout is in landscape orientation. Rows and columns headings are displayed. The content of the cells are visible. File print. Select row 1 to 8, only the row between 9 and 32 where citing took place. Take a screenshot and use to select these rows between 9 and 32 and paste the screenshot in evidence document. So data filter does not equals to we'll take the screenshot and paste this in the evidence document. Print the following selections. That's it. In the last part, first of all, you need to make the selection of only that specific part. Then you need to go into the print, set it as a portrait. Column headings should be displayed and on a single page and then save it. That's it.